Most people start their day the wrong way. They wake up, they look at their phone, they see messages, emails, tasks, and meetings. Then they feel busy before they even start. But what if AI could tell you the three most important things to do today? Not 30 things, just three. Today, I will show you how to use ChatGPT, ChatGPT Work, or another AI helper to make a simple daily plan. This can save you time, it can help you stop feeling lost, and it can help you focus on the things that really matter. Stay until the end, because I will give you one simple rule that stops AI from giving you a huge, useless task list. Let's make this very easy. First, AI is not your boss. AI does not know your life better than you do. It does not know what you care about. It does not know which job is most important. You tell AI what matters. Then AI helps you make a clear plan. Think of AI like a helpful assistant. You give it the messy stuff, your calendar, your to-do list, your notes, and your goals. Then it helps you clean it up. That is the job. Second, give AI your day. There are two easy ways to do this. The first way is very simple. Open ChatGPT. Paste in your meetings and your task list. For example, you can write, I have a meeting at 10. I need to answer 2 customer emails. I need to finish my video. I also need to go to the bank. Then ask AI to help. The second way is for people using ChatGPT Work or another AI tool with connected apps. You may be able to connect your calendar, email, or task tool. Then AI can look at the things you already use. But you do not need that to start. You can start with a simple pasted list. Third, use this prompt. Here is the prompt. You can copy it. Look at my tasks for today. Give me only the three most important things to do. Put the most important one first. For each task, tell me why it matters and the first small step. Keep it short and simple. Do not give him more than 3 tasks. That's it. Now AI may say something like this. Number one, finish the video script. Why it matters? It helps you post your video on time. First small step, write the hook. Number two, answer the customer emails. Why it matters? These people are waiting for you. First small step, answer the oldest email first. Number three, go to the bank. Why it matters? It has a deadline. First small step, check what time the bank closes. Now your day feels much easier. You do not need to think about everything at once. You just start with one small step. Fourth, ask AI to protect your time. This part is very useful. Sometimes your task list is too big. You have 10 things to do, but you only have time for 3. So ask AI. Look at this list. What can wait until tomorrow? What must be done today? AI can help you see the difference between busy work and important work. For example, making a new folder on your computer may feel useful, but answering a customer who wants to buy may matter more. Cleaning your inbox may feel useful, but finishing your offer may matter more. AI can help you choose, but you make the final choice. Fifth, here's the big rule. This is the rule I want you to remember. 3, not 30. Do not ask AI to give you a giant plan. Do not ask for 50 tasks. Do not ask for a perfect week. Ask for 3 important things. Why? Because 3 things are easy to see. 3 things are easy to start. And 3 things are easy to finish. When you finish important work, you feel good. Then tomorrow you can do the same thing again. This is how AI saves time. Not by making you busier, by helping you focus. You can also make this happen every morning. If your version of ChatGPT has tasks or scheduled work, you can ask it to make your daily plan at the same time each day. You can say, every weekday morning, give me my three most important tasks. Keep it short. Tell me the first small step for each task. Then, check the plan. Change anything that is wrong and start your day. Here is one last tip. When AI gives you your three tasks, do not keep asking it for more ideas. Start the first task. That is where people get stuck. They use AI to make plans all day, but they do not do the work. Use AI for 5 minutes, then close the chat and do the first small step. That is the real win. Here is your final rule. Use AI to choose the work. Use your own brain to do the work. Try this tomorrow morning. Paste in your task list. Ask AI for three important things. Then do number one first. If you want to learn practical AI workflows like this, step by step, join my AI University community on School. We go deeper into AI tools, agents, automations, and real business use cases. Subscribe to AI Alpha by Mario for simple AI videos that help you save time, save money, and get more done. And comment three things if you are going to try this tomorrow.